Hey there, I'm Brandon, and I wanted to talk through how we handle maintenance here at Keyrenter if you decide to use us to manage your property. So I'll start by saying the tenant communication, we want them to call these issues in to the office. And we've got a line set up 24/7, they're going to get somebody on the phone. And the reason we do that is this helps us really understand what it is that's going on. Oftentimes, if tenants submit something through a maintenance portal or online, and we have done some of that in the past, we get a lot of things like, my sink is broken. And we don't know, I mean, that could mean so many different things. Then we're kind of reaching back out to get some clarification and oftentimes playing phone tag there and stuff. So we found having them call first just really simplifies that process. If we're going to make sure we understand, number one, what is the issue going on, where is it specifically, kind of understand just more in depth what's going on, and that'll determine who we need to send out there. The second reason there is we also will do some troubleshooting with them. So if it's something that, like a garbage disposal's jammed or tripped or something like that, we can walk them through how to address that. So once we've determined that it's not something that we can just fix through troubleshooting, there is a legitimate issue we need to send a vendor out for, then we're going to determine if this is something that can likely be done under $300 or over, or if it'll be more than that. So if we're pretty sure we can get this done under $300, then we'll notify you of what's going on, and we'll send that out to the vendor, and they'll go get it fixed. If they get out there and determine this is something else than what I thought, and it's more than $300, then that's when we're going to seek your approval on it and make sure you're okay to proceed. If we need to get a bid, that kind of thing, we can certainly do that. So then from there you'll get a copy of that vendor's invoice on your next monthly statement, so you can see exactly what they did, any maintenance notes that they provided, and that's a way that we remain transparent, that we're not upcharging any of the maintenance, and that's just a service we provide as part of the monthly management, is coordinating that maintenance. So hopefully that helps you understand how we handle that, and feel free to reach out with any questions.